Hey guys, today I'm going to make some chicken and rice in the Instant Pot. I'm going to use Jasmine rice for this, but you can use whatever kind you want. So I'm going to use 1 cup. I'm going to rinse it off with cold water real quick. I don't always rinse it, but I think it comes out a little bit fluffier if you do. And I'm going to add 1.5 cups of water. And I have some Better Than Bouillon here. This is a vegetable based one, made with carrots, celery, onions, and tomatoes. So this is kind of a neutral one. So it says add about a teaspoon, so I'll get that in there. And I'm just going to kind of mix it up with my hand, break it all up. And I have a frozen chicken breast here, so I'm going to put that right on top. I'll kind of get that wet so the seasoning will stick. And I'm going to sprinkle on just a little bit of kosher salt. And, of course, some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. And I'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on the rice setting, which is automatic. It says 12 minutes, but it takes longer than that by the time it heats up and goes through the whole cooking cycle. So I'll let you guys know how long that is. My pot shut off and the pressure pin just dropped, so everything's been in there about 35 or 40 minutes. My chicken was frozen, so I let the pressure pin drop on its own because it kind of keeps cooking as long as the pot is sealed. So that looks good. Let me check the internal temperature of that chicken just to see what it is there. 170, so that's good. It should be 165, so it's cooked through. I'm going to pull the chicken out and cut it up and mix it all together. Let's see how this chicken looks. Hopefully it's not dry. Doesn't look bad. It looks fairly moist. One thing you can always do too is if it's a little dry, you can add a little bit of butter to the rice and mix that in, kind of melt it in there. I have done that. And I have added frozen mixed vegetables to that, but last time they were a little bit mushy, so I just did it without. It's kind of a basic recipe. You can just kind of, you know, do it however you want. That chicken breast came out pretty decent. It wasn't too dry. I've had a lot drier than that. Now I'll just kind of mix it all together and kind of fluff up the rice here. This isn't very exciting to look at. I need some salad or something to put on the plate with it. But whatever, I'm just the regular guy channel, not the gourmet channel. Anyway, let's try a bite here. That came out good. Rice has good flavor and the chicken's moist and tender, and Annie's banging down there. I put a little bit in the bowl for Annie, see if I can get it to her. My back's all fused together so they don't bend too well. There we go. Yep, she inhaled the chicken first, now she's scarfing down the rice. That worked out good, and if you wanted to do a bigger batch, just add more of everything. And I think if your chicken wasn't frozen, you could probably release the pressure sooner. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.